For safety, disconnect the refrigerator from power or turn off the 12-volt power supply. Insert the narrow pry tool gently around the edges of the LED cover. Work your way around the perimeter to release the retention clips. Once all clips are disengaged, carefully lift the cover off. Use the same pry tool to loosen the LED light from its mounting clips. Gently pull the light forward to expose the rear connector. Disconnect the 2-pin connector by pressing the release tabs and pulling it apart. Unclip the LED light from the plastic casing or bracket if applicable. Slide the new LED into casing until it clicks securely in place. Press the LED into the back of the cover until it seats firmly. Plug the 2-pin connector into the new LED, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Align the LED light and cover with the original mounting area. Press gently until all clips snap back into place. Power on the refrigerator and confirm the LED light illuminates properly.